Hi, my name is Toby Allen and I'm the president of Cardinal Home Center. For over 30 years, we have built a stellar reputation for delivering top quality lumber, paint, hardware, and more to builders, contractors, farmers, and homeowners. We offer an impressive inventory of Weyerhaeuser Framer Series lumber, both treated and untreated, fencing supplies, Benjamin Moore paints, steel and Milwaukee tools, Marvin windows and doors, and much more. Our team isn't just interested in selling you a product. We want to help your idea, big or small, become a reality. Our dedicated sales team gets to know your project and provides you with the best options, not just the most expensive ones. We're here to help you with a weekend project, a larger remodel, or a new build, or anything in between. We're a small business at our core, dedicated to serving our friends and neighbors. Our knowledgeable sales team sets us apart. We know how important it is to get the job done right and have a trusted person to guide you through your project. Count on Cardinal to offer you resources such as DIY videos, expanded product knowledge, curbside pickup and call-in orders, and other in-store and online services. Visit us at one of our stores or explore our website at cardinalhomecenter.com.